You guys, I never knew you could make so much money from just advertising for people. These influencers are shopping life. Hey. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, please do well to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. You can see I'm all happy today because we are going to be talking about money. We're talking about the dough. Today we are going to be talking about ways you can make money online in 2020. Ways that have been proven effective. I mean, I have personally tried them, so I'm willing to share with you. And if you also have a way I can make money in this 2020, please help me. My DM is open. Come to my DM. The way I'm sharing my knowledge with you, please come and share yours with me. I'll really appreciate. So without too much talk, let's get into the business. I wrote down the 5 ways I was talking about on my notes, so you may see me peeping into my phone once in a while. So the first way is influencing and advertising. You guys, I never knew you could make so much money from just advertising for people. These influencers are shopping life. So how can you make money from influencing and advertising for people? Ask me. Let me cross my leg. So first of all, you want to build your audience. There is this lady on my Snap, you guys. She makes about 100,000 naira daily on Snapchat. Just imagine, in a week she's making 700k. In a month, do the math yourself. And what is she doing? Just reposting your adverts to her audience, because she has a lot of audience. How do you go about it? First of all, you want to build your audience. You have to find money with money. How do you go about that? From promoting yourself. If it is WhatsApp, you pay WhatsApp influencers to repost your links from you. From there, gradually your audience starts increasing. From 500 views, you start having 1,000 views, you start having 1,500 views. Gradually your audience are increasing. You start advertising on your platform yourself, screenshotting with proof, posting that, oh, I have also amount of audience, just send pay so amount and I'll be reposting your content for you. You can charge as low as 1,000 naira for adverts on WhatsApp. Now imagine you getting 20 people a day. 20 people pay you 1,000 naira for adverts. How much is that? That's 20,000 naira. 30 people, that's 30,000 naira. In a week, let's say on an average, maybe you get about 5 people every day and you're charging 1,000 naira from them. That is 5,000 naira every day. 5 times 7, that is 35k in a week. How many weeks do we have in a month? 4 weeks. 4 times 35, do the max. That's the amount you're going to be making every month, just from collecting 1,000 naira from adverts on WhatsApp every day. Imagine Instagram, imagine Twitter, Facebook. Like, are you reasoning with me? This tea I'm spilling, you're supposed to pay me, but because I'm trying to help us grow together. So influencing and advertising, or influencing market generally, is one way you could make money in 2021. Next is trainings. This training too. What do you do? Okay, so person posts, oh, come for training. I'm training people how to edit pictures on Lightroom. I'm training people how to create presets. I'm training people how to do this. I'm training people how to do that. Opt in for the training. Make sure you pay attention and understand everything about the training. There's nothing stopping you from training other people to think about it. You pay 10,000 naira for a training. Okay, you want to bring your own price down so it can be affordable. You bring it to 5,000 naira. Let's say you get 10 people to sign up for your class. How much did you get? That is 50,000 naira. And how much did you pay for your tutorials? 10,000 naira. you've gained 40,000 naira from just 10 people. So imagine 20 people, 30 people, 40 people, 50 people, and that's how you become a billionaire, a millionaire in 2021. So applying for training and training people back is a way you can also make money online in 2021. You're welcome. Drop shipping. Let me define drop shipping in a layman form. I am selling bags. You are just there, not selling anything, or you don't have enough capital to start a bag business, and I'm selling bags. I'm giving wholesale prices. Maybe the bag is let's say the bag is 4,500. My wholesale price is 3,500, but you don't have enough capital to buy from me to resell, or due to the risk attached to buying things and not getting customers to buy from you, so you are scared of using your money to invest in it. You can simply get pictures of everything, every stock I have, and repost on your social media platform. When you get orders, you come back to me, pay me for the item. Some most sellers go far as helping you make the delivery using another nylon totally for you that is not even their branded nylon. They help you make the delivery and send it to your customer. You don't even have to stress at all. Everything you are doing is just on your phone. Repost, the person pays, you pay the wholesaler makes the delivery for you, and that's all. Dropshipping is another way you can make cool money online in 2021. So the next thing we'll be looking at is being a Bitcoin merchant. That is, you exchange Bitcoin for people. I don't know, there's this new memo, am I going to call that a memo, that have been passed by the government banning Nigerians from trading Bitcoin. Is that not somehow? Are we not going back to 1960 or 1950 or 1900? Ha. Well, we never can tell. Being a Bitcoin merchant is also a way you can make money online in 2021. There are some apps you can just quickly change your Bitcoin to Naira with. Should I share? Okay, there's an app, Remitano. You can just simply change your Bitcoin to Naira using that app. So what do? You check the rates on daily basis. You update your audience every minute. Oh, I'm selling BTC for so rates per dollar, maybe 460 rates per dollar, 470 rates per dollar. Let's say on the app you are getting it for 480 per dollar. You can repost yours as 470 per dollar. Then when someone shows interest, you just simply send them your wallet from the app and they transfer the BTC for you, and you can just quickly change it to Naira using the app. In that way, you give them their Naira, you get your own gain. What are you doing? Just promoting yourself, putting yourself out there. Oh, I change BTC. Check the app for the current rate. Use your own rates. You get your own interest. It is that simple. This is a very good idea for guys that are trying to earn money online. The last one is affiliate marketing. I'll be diverting that to the real estate aspect. There are a lot of real estate companies now that are looking for affiliates. So what do? You just simply sign up for their training. It's mostly free. They train you and tell you everything about real estate, how to market and everything. All you just have to do is repost the lands they have available, the houses they have available. When you have a prospect, you take them for inspection. You don't have to be the one to take them for the inspection. You can simply direct them to one of your boss. After everything, if they eventually get the land, you get your own cut. Just sitting and pressing your phone, no stress. What did you do? Oh, we have land at Ibejuleki. Oh, we have land at Tekpe. Oh, we have land at this. We have land at Aweaya. And Mr. Tola sees your post and like, I'm interested in investing in land, Bolu. How do I go about it? You send Mr. Tola the list of the lands that the company you work with has, and he's like, oh, Bolu, How am I sure this is not scam? Can you take me to the land for inspection? You contact your boss. Let's say your boss is Mr. Raymond. Oh, Mr. Raymond, one of my uncle would like to go inspect the land at Ibejuleki. When are you taking people for inspection so you can as well join them? Mr. Raymond says, oh, inspection is on Thursday by 10 a.m. Then you tell him, okay, our company will be taking people for inspection by 10 a.m. on Thursday. If that is okay by you. And Mr. answers, oh, that's totally fine by me. Mr. goes for inspection, sees the land, likes it, buy it, you get your percentage just from pressing your phone. So I gave 5 ways you can make money online in 2021. 1. Influencing an advert. 2. Applying for trainings. 3. Dropshipping. 4. Being a Bitcoin merchant. And 5. Affiliate marketing. So if you find any of this helpful, please let me know. And most importantly, if you have a way I can make money too, legitly share your knowledge with me the way I have shared mine with you. If you enjoyed or learned something from this video, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your loved ones. See you in my next video. By God's grace. Love you all.